Welcome back to another episode of
Sly
Customs. We're getting good. In this episode, we got some new toys to play with.
which you can't,
Can't see.
Yeah.
And we're going to try to get these here new toys on Project Frankenchop. So stay tuned. So part of the new toy package that we just got in the mail. Where did we buy these? Or where did you buy these? Dime City
Cycles.
Cycles. We found this kit that came with some controls and some mounting hardware. It's kind of a universal thing. But I think what we're going to do is take this here template we've made.
We've done some idea shopping.
Yeah. And this is going to like grab this and then weld to the frame. And then we'll have I guess this would be a shift lever. So hopefully we can turn this here sheet of steel into this beautiful little bracket. Wish us luck.
Well, these came out pretty good.
Those came out awesome. They look phenomenal.
We're so proud of things we cut out.
For not having like a mill or like, a portaband and a vise.
But hey, it fits on there. We're going to weld it. Honestly,
Came out good.
yeah.
So the next step is there's some brackets on the frame kind of in the way of where we want to put those. So we're going to start cutting them off and mocking up where we want to weld those on. Enjoy.
So, we've been working.
Yeah. The day's kind of getting away from us. We had to work on, you probably saw the Ranger in the background. We had to work on that for a while. But anyway, we're back at it. Back on Project Frankenchop. We got the foot peg on the.
You did see us weld the foot peg on, or
Yeah,
at least
the
the
bracket.
mount. Yep.
So we have the brake pedal mounted. Brake pedal? Brake lever mounted.
Yeah.
Now we need to work on making a bracket for the master cylinder. That's the plan.
The 2 foot of linkage to get back to the master cylinder. That's what.
Yeah, we got to get it all figured out and welded on. Yeah. Another awesome day. Another one. Another awesome day here at Slack Customs. We got sidetracked a couple times and it's really late, but so far we've got this brake lever mounted, and I don't know if you can see it.
Not really, I don't think.
I don't know if you can see that actuating, but it functions. Andrew's welds are beautiful. We've got brackets for the master cylinder and to retain this little linkage thing, and everything's looking sweet, right where we want it. We're super pumped on it. We did not film us doing the other side. We're about to knock that out right now. We figured you've seen the process, so now you can enjoy like a time lapse of us trying to hopefully get the other side mounted, maybe get this little reservoir mounted. We're just gonna knock some stuff out for as long as we can, for as fast as we can, and we'll let you know how far we get at the end.
Sweet.
Yeah. We're running on little sleep.
productive day.
Woo! It is like 2 in the morning.
Yeah. That's a late one for us.
Hopefully you guys just saw our sweet glamour shots. We're trying to get artsy. But as you can see, we got the brake mounted and the shifter mounted, and they're both fully functioning. So that is super exciting. Huge progress. That's a huge milestone for us. We've really been kind of, I don't know, sweating that, I guess, if you could say.
Well, honestly, it's probably the most expensive part on the bike.
Oh yeah, this is like the only thing we've bought for the bike. And
Yeah.
as you can tell, everything else we find in junkyards or make ourselves. But we decided, well, I guess Andrew decided to spend a little money this time, and I think you spent
I think
more
it was money well spent.
Absolutely, yeah. We would not have been able to make it look nearly this nice without this kit. $200, I think, in the ballpark
Yes.
for the
It was 170 something.
170 for the linkage and the foot pegs and the mounting stuff. So money well spent. Anyway, awesome day, awesome weekend. We accomplished our goals. We're super stoked. We hope you guys are enjoying it. Drop us a like, a comment, subscribe, follow along. Let us know what you think of the build. Hopefully you guys are as pumped as we are.
Just getting more and more.
It's looking more like a bike. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll catch you next time.
YouTube.